Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Erlanger employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your Erlanger employee account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Erlanger employee login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you just have to scroll down and then tap on this option which says login Erlanger Health. And after tapping on that, now you can log into your employee account by just entering your username and password. So just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. You can also create a new account if you don't have one, or if you have forgotten your username or password, you can easily change your username or password by just tapping on forgot username or by tapping on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Erlanger employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.